Good morning. This is Sue Schmidt from Equipping for eMinistry. I'd like to show you an easy way this morning to use TntMPD and a map on the internet when there's a crisis, so you can be in touch with your friends and donors and find out if they're okay after, for us here in the United States, a tornado outbreak or some other event that you want to check in on. You see here on Equipping for eMinistry, Map Your Donor Team, which I had done a few years ago using Google Maps and just myself placing donors onto this map. And if you don't use TntMPD, this post will help you with that, so you can do it yourself. But what I'm going to show you is how easy it is to do with TntMPD. So I'm going to put these next to each other. On the left, of course, is the browser. And I've opened up here. This shows where all these tornadoes were spotted in the south. This is the week of April 27 through the early part of May. All of these happened the last week of April 2014. And down here is a map where the tornadoes touched down. I think these are sightings. And Arkansas was hit very badly. So what I'm going to do is look up in TntMPD by field the home state, Arkansas, and is Arkansas. I'm going to replace my list of everybody with just 3 people in Arkansas. And now there's a feature down here on the left called Map. The reason I have this off to the side so I can compare the two. It only shows one person. You have to say the current group. So now we have all 3. I'll go ahead and make this bigger. You can see the tornado damage up around Little Rock. So let's see. And here's Little Rock. I'm going to click in. There is one person in Hot Springs over here, and when you go hover over it, it brings the name up. And there's Little Rock. So set that over there. And see, I don't know exactly where this is, so let's bring it in a little closer. You can see the tornado tracked above Little Rock in that direction and over here. So up here, and my friend is down here to the southwest. So in this case, I know that they're okay, at least from the tornado. I'm sure it was still a very severe storm. So this is just to help you see how quickly you can check in on your friends. If you use TntMPD, all of these maps come up automatically. The address you put in generates the map, and it's right in TntMPD itself. So if I click map again, you see I'm still actually in TntMPD. The browser is over here. So the map is right in TntMPD. And you can check right away very quickly on your donors. And of course, once you find out how they're doing, you'll want to email people in an affected area, send a letter, phone call, or encourage them in whatever way you can. Thank you for listening. I hope this was helpful.